Good morning and thank you for joining our daily outlook, and today we'll cover the changes in the euro-dollar pair. Greg will be sharing insights from our trading desk.
The euro-dollar pair has added 0.4% in the last two sessions. The Williams indicator has shifted sharply into the oversold area. Alibaba stock has lost 1.7% in the last session. The ROC has shifted sharply into positive territory. The sterling-dollar pair has lost 1.6% in the last session. The ROC plunged into the negative area. The Aussie dollar pair has lost 0.2% in the last session. The stochastic RSI transitioned sharply into oversold territory.
Thank you for sharing with us. Now let's hear from our news department.
Crypto companies' unique fundraising processes and decentralized nature provide some protection from geopolitical risks, according to China-focused crypto and blockchain investors. The S&P 500 surged as tech firms regained strength, which might lead Asia-Pacific stocks higher. Gold prices climbed as the U.S. dollar fell alongside the volatility index. The sterling has seen heightened volatility amid the growing frustration on both sides of the Brexit negotiations table.
Thank you for this. Coming up, today's major economic events.
The Japanese capacity utilization will be released on Monday at 4:30 GMT, the Swiss PPI Tuesday at 6:30 GMT, the U.S. Fed interest rate decision Wednesday at 1800 GMT, New Zealand's GDP Wednesday at 22:45 GMT, the Japanese CPI Thursday at 23:30 GMT, and the U.S. current account Friday at 12:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.